Yes, dear students, 11th class, you have to perform following practicals. List of the practical. First is here. Explain and draw a block diagram of computer system. Yes, in first practical, what you will do, on the right hand side, there are lines pages. You will write down the content there, and on the left hand side, you will make a proper computer diagram. Means there are input devices and there's a processing devices and output devices. All devices must be there. And in next is here, explain different types of topology. In this practical, what you will do, on the right hand side on line pages, you will write down the different types of topologies, and on the left hand side, means white paper, you will draw the diagram of the topologies. Next is here, explain different method of saving a document in OpenOffice Writer. Yes, dear student, in this what you will do? You will simply open the OpenOffice Writer. I am going to show you how you have to do this. OpenOffice Writer. Wait for a moment. It's taking a little bit time to open. Yes, this is your OpenOffice Writer. In this, how you can save the file? You will click on File and then click on Save As, and then Save As dialog box will appear. In this way, write down the name of the file and then click on Save. Means first you will paste the screenshot like this. Means first click on File and then Save As dialog box will appear like this. Write down the file name and then click on Save. Here you will paste this screenshot there. Now in next practical, I'm going to do the cancel. In next practical, what is there? Now after that, fourth practical is here. Create a table in OpenOffice Writer containing the following. Yes, my dear student, in this what you have to do? In this, you just have to open the OpenOffice Calc. OpenOffice Calc, here is OpenOffice Calc. You will just simply open that. This is your OpenOffice Calc, you can see from here. And then what you have to do, in this you have to create only this table, roll number, name and marks. This table you have to create, means you can simply copy and paste. Even if you want to do the copy and paste, OpenOffice Calc is here and you will simply paste the data here. Otherwise you have to type. If you are not able to paste, then you can type the data. Simply first I'm going to copy. And in Calc I'm trying to paste the data. Yes. In this way you have to do the copy and paste of the data. रोल नंबर आप सेंटर में कर देना line like this. Clear beta? In this way you have to perform your practical number 4. This one is your practical number 4. You just have to create one table in OpenOffice. Oh sorry, I just create the table in OpenOffice. You have to create this table in OpenOffice Writer. Not in Calc. You have to create this table in Writer. I created that table in. You have to create this table here. Click on Insert tab. Here, click on Table tab. Then click on Insert. Then click on Table. Whatever the name of the table you want to set, you can do. There are 3 columns in that, and 5 rows, 6 rows are there. Click on OK. Then you have to type the data here. Clear, bachcha? In practical number 4, actually I am thinking that this is in OpenOffice Calc, but you have to create this table in OpenOffice Writer. You have to create this table in OpenOffice Writer and then fill this report there, and after that click the screenshot. For an example, जैसे इसमें लिखा हमने roll number name, I think marks hoga next field in this way. In this way, you have to create the table here, and after that, you will click the screenshot of that and paste on the left hand side page. Now, next is here, explain the different components of OpenOffice Calc. You will open the OpenOffice Calc. This one is OpenOffice Calc, and you will first you will paste this screenshot. Means you just open the OpenOffice Calc and then paste this complete screenshot. And after that, you have to explain. Top first line is called title bar. After that, menu bar. Then your standard toolbar. After that, your formatting toolbar. Then your cell reference address, your formula bar, row headers. These are the column header, and this one is your sidebar, and these are navigation tabs, and these one are sheet tabs, and this one is scroll bar, and this one is zoom slider, and then last one is here status bar. Clear? And after that, you will explain. You will just click in this cell, and then this one is your active cell. Clear? In this way, you have to first paste the screenshot, and after that, on the right hand side page, you will explain all these things. Now, come to the next. Create a table in OpenOffice Calc of the following these and make a bar chart. Means first you have to open the OpenOffice Calc and then set these four names. In one column you will write down the name of the column, and in another column you will write down the run, and in another you will write down wickets, and next you will write down their catches. You can fill data whatever you want to fill, and then you have to make the bar graph, bar chart. How you have to do? Open Office Calc, suppose name of the cricketer, थोड़ा सा size small कर लेते हैं, काफी बड़ा size. You can even, if you want to do the copy and paste of the data, you can do from here. Suppose this one is data, I am just copy and then open Calc and then paste the data here, name of the cricketer. In this way. Clear? In this name of the cricketer, suppose you can write down anything. Atul, Mayank, Suraj, anything you can write down here. Run suppose 88, 77, 99. Any run and wicket पे बना दो आप इनकी कुछ भी 7, 4, 1 ज़्यादा ही होगी इसकी. कैचर भी आप लिख सकते हो 2, 5, 9. After that, what you have to do? You will select this data in this way and then create the chart. I think in insert tab, here is a chart option. Click on insert tab, then you will click on the chart, and then we have to create the bar chart. Click on bar chart. Any format you can choose. Suppose this one I want, and then click on finish. Then you will, what you will do? You will resize this chart because we have to show the table and as well as chart also. Now move this chart. This chart here, because in your screenshots both things should be visible like this. Clear? Your table content and as well as your chart content. Then you will click the screenshot and then paste on the left hand side page, and all steps you have to write down by yourself. Next is here, make a presentation in OpenOffice Impress on topic different types of communication. In this, what you have to do, you will open the Open Office Impress. You will make there 2 to 3 slides, maximum 3 slides you have to create. Means written communicate, verbal communication, non-verbal and visual communications. हर एक communications के आप 3 slides बनाओगे and then तीनों slides के screenshots paste कर दोगे और दूसरी तरफ आप उसको explain कर दोगे कि how you have to create open office impress, then click on presentation, then you have to create the slide और first slide पे आपने जो भी content लिखा है वो सारा आप लिखोगे. नेक्स्ट में क्या लिखना है, नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल, एक्सप्लेन DDL एंड DML कमांड्स इन MySQL. इसमें ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट DDL मींस डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज एंड DML मींस डेटा मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज. DDL में आप कौन सी कमांड लिखोगे, select create database, open database, create table, alter table. These are your DDL command. and DML में again आपके 4 है, insert, delete, update. These are your and select. These 4 are your DML command. All of you explain these commands, and on the right hand side you will just draw a diagram for DDL command and DML command. Next is here, explain any two properties and method of the following component. आपके पास वो जो मैंने PDF शेयर की हुई बच्चे, उसमें हर एक कंपोनेंट की प्रॉपर्टीज और मेथड लिखे हुए हैं. आप J बटन और J लेबल, J टेक्स्ट फील्ड और J रेडियो बटन, इन हर एक फील्ड की क्या करोगे, 2 प्रॉपर्टीज और कोई भी 2 मेथड्स आप इनकी राइट डाउन करोगे. नेक्स्ट है, आपको डेटाबेस में MySQL में एक टेबल क्रिएट करनी है. कौन से फील्ड्स को लेके, इन वाले फील्ड को लेके आपको एक टेबल बनानी है और उसमें क्या करना है, रोल नंबर को करना है सेट एज अ प्राइमरी की. ओनली दीज प्रैक्टिकल्स यू हैव टू परफॉर्म. और बेटा आज 8 है तो मैं आपसे 10 डेज बाद, 8 से मीन्स 18 दिसंबर को, 18 दिसंबर को मैं आपसे पूरी फाइल लूंगी. डेली का आप एक भी प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करोगे, देन यू आर एबल टू कंप्लीट योर प्रैक्टिकल फाइल within 10 days. So I'll take your practical file on 18. And I hope everything is clear to you how you have to perform your practicals. If you are having any doubt regarding any practical, you can ask to me.